Hello, 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 it's the Thesterninator. How's everyone doing today? That sounds fantastic. I mean, I really wish that I could hear you and communicate with you as watchers, viewers, whatever. But, that's impossible. I mean, there is Twitch and there are other services to do that. But in reality, I really just don't, I just don't want to talk to you. And I mean, I know that sounds rude, but... So, I did a update on how to get started in Hellominers recently, which is one of my favorite servers, the one that we're playing on right here. Play.hellominers.com. Look, it's a rabbit. Oh, it's a wee little guy. Hey there, buddy. Hey there, pal. How are you doing? Anyway, Hellominers, I did an update on how to do and how to get started on the server a long time ago, and people really took to it. I've had a lot of people ask me when I'm going to make another video, when I'm going to do all that. But the cool thing about Hellominers is it updates all the time. There's always updates as to what's going on in the server in their little city there. I'm going to take my little thing there. Stick of speed. Yeah. They have updates like this item that I just pulled up here. If you can see it, there we go. I have a little stick of speed there, as you can see. Lets me run fast. But yeah, these updates. Being that, it becomes a little bit more difficult to get started because you start not knowing anything about this server, not knowing anything about how it's run. And this will at least give you an introspective onto how to at least get started on that. So, let's do some movie magic and get started with how to get started in Hellominers version 3.0. 3.0. Movie magic! Look, we're here at the start, at the spawn point of the entire server. So, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and start off by going through the actual tutorial itself. We come over here, boop, and we're in the tutorial. Look at that, we're in the tutorial. So as you can see, it pretty much just gives you a rundown. I have the notification thing down at the bottom turned off just because people are talking and there's transactions going on, people are making deals, people are buying businesses, selling businesses, stuff like that, as well as communicating with each other. I really like that this server has an open chat, that everything is communicated all at once, and you do have the messaging system if you do want to talk to someone specifically. I really enjoy that. I've been on servers before that they have like closed and you have to go to a certain chat room in order to chat, and it got really confusing. It just got really confusing. So this, I like that it's open to the world. This is Wildland. Wildland is lush, green, beautiful, and it's 5F per block, as I always say on all my other updates. As usual, 5F per block. F is the money. It stands for fossils. But 5F per block, whereas in the city, it can be 20F per block. Now that's only government-owned cities. Government-owned cities are, very plainly, cities owned by the government. Haha! If you didn't know that, don't play the video game. You should probably go back to coloring. But yeah, government-owned cities, it's 20F per block, whereas Wild is 5. 20, 5, 5, 20. Player-owned cities are anywhere between, over, or under that. They can, if a city's owned by a player, they can decide the rules as they want, which is really good and really bad. Only downside of that is there's no warp, which means that you can't just TP to that spot. You have to actually walk, or you can use nether portals, which is a lot faster than nether highway system. It's really intricate, but it in this server, I can show you later. In this server, it works really, really well. Pretty self-explanatory. If you have any questions on that, just ask literally anyone in chat. We're all pretty nice about 30% of the time, so really good odds. So here's some rules. I'm just going to run down those while we walk a little bit, just because they're really self-explanatory. I don't know any server that doesn't have this basic set of rules. There's no hacking, no X-ray, no flying, no speed hacks, no hack of any sort, no mod. And if you have a question on that, we do have the Hellominers page, hellominers.com, that you can go to and ask. I do suggest making a profile, because if not, you're not going to be taken really seriously on the server. Excuse me, while the abyss loads. We're going to ignore that. Oh, God, the world's coming to an end. And on the forums, just make an account. I'm going to warp to a different city. Just make an account because you're not going to be taken seriously without one. It's how we make business deals. It's how you purchase land in a lot of cases. It's just, it's going to help you a lot. Plus, you can kind of stay up to date on what's going on in the server. So here we have one of my shops. So as you can see, I have my name on the top, the Thesterninator. I have the quantity of items that I'm selling, or that you are available to buy. I'll say it that way. On the top is my name, then the quantity of items that you're able to buy. B is for buy, and then 300 So that's how much that you can buy it for. Look, egg, carrot item, sugarcane, redstone. If you want to sell, so you want people to sell items to you, then you'd put S. So then people would sell items to you, and you would be, they'd take money out of your account to get that. If you want to see your account, just type \BAL, whoops, BAL, ignore that. And there's your account money, your balance right there. See? 64. How much is this one? 15 F for 64. I'm going to get steak. Nom 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 nom. But yeah, so these are all still incredibly close to a warp, which you can access by doing warping. If I wanted to go, I could do warp C, and I'll be in the main city in a couple seconds. Otherwise, you get limbs chopped off and whatnot. It's really bad, really scary. But the big thing a lot of people ask, as soon as they start, you'll start and you'll be down here, you'll be like, oh boy, I read all the rules, I know everything, I am ready to go, I want a job. So you're going to come out here, look at this, they have a little path for you, it's really nice. Just going to run across here, you can actually sell and buy items here. Now I don't suggest buying items from here because they are a little overpriced because they want you to use the player-owned stores instead. But you can buy or you can sell. So if you look how to make a sell and a buy, you can do it just like that. Here the government is buying and selling 10 lapis blocks. You as the player can buy 10 lapis blocks for 250 or sell 10 lapis blocks for 60. Just do warp, public mine. And there we are. And this is the public mine. So in this area is for gathering resources. The area is reset every 2 weeks. If you cannot sell the items you get here to players, you can sell them to the government selling center. There are also some specialty mobs that are added. Nothing too crazy. There's my favorite of the creepers, the ender creepers. They actually are creepers that teleport just like endermen. There's super creepers. There's Pikachu zombies that just they electrocute you. All sorts of stuff, as well as specialty zombies for different places and for different parts of the year. So yeah, just be aware of those. Be cautious if you don't know what one does. It's usually fairly the same as its normal stuff. Just don't mess with it and it won't mess with you. Alright, cool. Next, we're going to go to my home. Alright, so this is Hellominers Update 3.0. I'll try to put some more out, maybe a 4.0 in the next month or so. Maybe next week. Who knows? Who knows? I'll tell you who doesn't. This guy right here. You can't see, but I am pointing at myself with both thumbs while controlling the keyboard at the same time. Why? Because I'm talented as F. That's why. Alright. Alright, so yeah. See you later, Internet. B. Back him down. But in here I have villagers breeding. Why do I do this? Why do I enslave these little people? It works. It really works. The rule is cities need 30,000 in order to function. To be honest, if I'm going to be fair and honest, sometimes it does work.